What do you consider a great smartphone camera? What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we're going to talk about the Google Pixel 6 Pro camera. Now, I am by no means necessarily considered a professional photographer. I cannot blow an image up and tell you that it needs more dynamic range, it lacks some contrast, or whatever. All I can tell you if a picture looks good or bad to me. So with that being said, I went ahead and took pictures of what I normally use a cell phone camera for, which is taking pictures of my kids, my pet, food, the occasional selfie, and sharing them with friends and family on my social media apps. Now, you're going to see some samples of all that. As well, I am including samples of me using the Google Pixel camera through the social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok, because I am fully aware that those apps sometimes do not optimize its software to work with the Google Pixel's camera app, therefore rendering some of the ugliest, low quality pictures and video when using the camera app through the social media app. So I hope you enjoy these samples. Without further ado, let's not keep you waiting. such a noodle head, bro?
You got a noodle face.
You
got
do.
a bunch of noodles up on your chin.
Whatever, bro. Zoe, like your shrimp? These snaps are pretty good, and this camera is pretty good at Snapchat. I'm glad Pixel and Snapchat work together. Look at that. Woo! Looks great. Let's party. Woo! Oh yeah, boy! This is a Pixel 6 Pro, and we're recording videos here. Woo yeah, boy! Welcome to Gadget Beard. As well. So this is the Pixel 6 Pro camera, using it through the Snapchat app, the rear camera. So I just want to give you a quick sample of how the quality looks. So this is Instagram filters, and I am filming with the Pixel 6 Pro, and you be the judge of how this video looks. Okay, this is the front-facing camera for the Pixel 6 Pro here on Instagram. Like I said on TikTok, all I have is this ring light in front of me for those who like to create videos like that. But this is just a quick sample of the front-facing camera on the Pixel 6 Pro. So now you're looking at the front-facing camera for the Pixel 6 Pro on Instagram. I think it looks pretty good, if I'm not mistaken. It looks pretty good. It's the rear-facing camera on Instagram through the app. Check out my little shed. Yeah. All right, so all I have here in front of me is the TikTok ring light. I call them the TikTok ring light because every TikToker use them. But this is kind of the quality you're gonna get from the front-facing camera of the Pixel 6 Pro. Let me know what you guys think. This is the mic recording from the device itself. Let me know what you guys think about this quality down in the comment section. But it looks pretty good. What can I say? This is the type of quality you're going to get on the Pixel 6 Pro on TikTok from the front facing camera. Looks good. What are you doing, Macchiato? What are you doing, Macchiato? What are you doing? This is the type of quality you're going to get from the rear facing camera on TikTok. Macchiato! Sushi! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the samples I gave you. Now, I know it wasn't a lot of samples, but what you saw is basically what I just snapped and took. I didn't set up anything. I didn't change any settings on my camera app. All that was just point and shoot. But besides that, do I like the Google Pixel 6 Pro camera? And the answer is yes. I consider it a great camera because I like the outcome it produces. I like the way the pictures look. I like how it just makes everything look great. Now, the question to ask yourself is this camera good enough for you? Let me know down on the comment section below. And let me know why it is, and let me know why it's not. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the Gadget Beard YouTube channel. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.